Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And welcome to another beautiful day in paradise and to the second and final Hawaii video. Oh, I'm absolutely dying just looking out at this view right now. It is everything to me. If you missed my first Hawaii video, it was a week in my life, so go check that out. And you'll get to see the aftermath of today because today's gonna be a very specific kind of vlog, you guys. And that is why I wanted to start this vlog with a disclaimer. As you've already seen in the title, today we are doing vlogging like you're on my close friend's story. Now, what does this mean? It basically means that all of the embarrassing and too drunk shit that I usually cut out of my vlogs is staying in today. In fact, it is the purpose of the vlog today. Pretty excited about it, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna see what happens. We don't really have any specific plans, basically. I'm just ready to get a little drunk. Jessica glasses are out. If you guys don't know, Jessica is my drunk alter ego, and she gets a little wild. When these sunglasses go on, you know that she is there. So I'm just gonna throw it out right now. This vlog is probably gonna be a bit of a mess, a bit all over the place. There's probably going to be an excess of inappropriate things said and potentially done during the video. So if you're not someone who really likes that kind of content, watching people do those kinds of things, this video is just probably not for you today. Best that you just click away, and I'll see you on Monday when I'm back with another video. But if you like to watch people have a really, really good time on vacation, I think you're gonna be pleased with this one. And I'm honestly excited to see where this day goes. I'm excited to see where this video goes. It's my first time doing a video like this, but I've seen a couple YouTubers upload them and they're always really fun and funny. I feel like an even better way to get to know a YouTuber who you really like, since, you know, you get to see them at not really their best, potentially. You know, my close friend's story, it's seen some things, so you guys are gonna see some things today. Pretty excited. But right now it is 10 a.m. and no drinking has started yet, but we are about to head to breakfast, and certainly a mimosa will be consumed if it is available. Let's do it. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, gorgeous view. Same table as last night, I'm pretty sure. Okay, breakfast buffet. We are carbo loading, at least I am. Connor is ego loading.
Which is a bold play.
Bold play, but figured prep the stomach for what is coming today.
Okay, drink numero uno. Of course, some mimosas. And we're loading up because it's going to be a big day.
Oh yeah.
Let's see how quickly we can take Jill down.
So fast. Okay, friends, drink number 2 coming in hot here, an espresso martini. What a way to start the day. And an Irish coffee for Connor with a little whipped cream on top. I'm gonna have to steal some of that. That was good.
Oh,
yeah. Hold it together, please. Connor is vlogging on his Snapchat just to like all of our friends, but there's some pretty iconic ones. I'll maybe throw some of them in from today. Yeah. Because he's getting a little wild.
Want to see how I do it?
Yeah.
Drink numero 2. Look, Jill's trying to keep up with the vlogs. We know what the real content is. Anyways, drink number 2.
Alrighty, we made it to the pool. I feel like I have to be quiet. We're at the adults pool and have to try to respect that fact.
Try being an adult.
Yeah. Try being, yeah. But, okay, Con, rate your current buzz out of 10.
Ooh. I had a nice like 5.
Yeah, mine has really come down to like a 4 or 5 since leaving. I was definitely on the peak of a 6 leaving breakfast. So, but next drink number 3, got a pina colada. I got a couple of these yesterday. They are amazing here, so very into it. Connor, what'd you get?
Blonde beer.
Love it.
Now it is 11:38. Drink number 3. What time do you guys think Joe will pass out?
Take bets down in the comments. My bet will be 4 p.m.
I'm thinking
3:30? Okay, we'll see what happens. Keep you posted. Time for a new check-in. What time is it, Connor?
1:02.
1:02 p.m. And we went for a little swim in the pool, as you can see. Guys, this is such a curly hair thing. It drives me insane. My whole life, this has driven me insane. That this part of my hair up here will just instantly dry the second it's out of the water. But the rest of my hair will still be wet. I don't know why. Very, very annoying to me. But I digress. We went back for drink numero, well, quattro for me. Cinco for Connor, eh?
I guess so.
Because you had 2 beers while I had my pina colada.
Yeah.
So, there you go. And I was like, can I just get like, I was just in the mood for a shot. You know, we're trying to turn it back up now. And I requested a vodka shot with pineapple. But then he was like, well, you know, I like to make these white gummy bear shots. And I was like, I'm intrigued, sir. Bring it on. So, he poured me this. He was like, big shot. No kidding. This is not a shot, but that's okay. I'll be sipping on this, obviously. I can't do a normal shot in one go. It takes me 2. So this is going to be like 6 sips probably for me, knowing me. Connor just bitched out with the tequila soda, so.
Yeah, I know it's pretty required.
It's not even that enjoyable for him.
Whatever.
Yeah.
But we're back on that train.
We're back on the train, and we, as I said, are ready to get back up to another level.
Blackout station.
What happens, happens. I promised the people some entertainment. We must come through. Cheers. Let's try this shot. Cheers, me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Exactly like a white gummy bear.
Does it?
Exactly like a white gummy bear. That's so weird. A little more burn on the end. Lingers.
Oh, yeah.
Weirdly like a white gummy bear. He named it aptly, I guess.
That's a very gel shot right there.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
You gotta be careful with that.
That's going to send me to a level.
I was gonna say.
That's the whole plan today,
Oh,
so.
I know. But the hangovers on those ones.
It's tomorrow's problem.
We don't know her.
We don't know her. Jessica's running the train now.
Yeah, that's for Jill to deal with. All right, a little update for all you sporting fans out there who had placed their guesses for the Jill nap time. We're at 2:39 right now, and somehow she's kicking strong, showing no signs of dying. Now, there has been a shift in the sense that she needed to be out of the sun immediately, and then food has to be acquired. So I think there's a chance that pushes us over the edge and gets us into the tired territory. But I don't know, guys. You know, she's kicking it. She's going strong, and it's why we love this game. You never know what's going to happen.
Friends, feeling a little topsy-turvy.
No, you're going strong, though.
I am. Oh, yeah, no. I'm not slowing down. But I'm feeling a little topsy-turvy. Yeah, yeah. Definitely. So update, I'm at maybe a 6.5 or 7 out of 10. Nothing too crazy, but you know.
I agree. I was going to put myself at 6.
Yeah.
But then again, when I was trying to talk to the waitress, there was a moment.
Sometimes when you're talking, that's when you realize.
Okay, no, I'm a little more frustrated.
Yeah, no, I know what you mean. Currently heading to lunch, get some more food in us. We're going to.
For a second.
Yeah, I needed a little break from the sun. The wind is blowing pretty intensely, so they had to have us put our umbrellas down, which is fine, except that the sun was so hot. So I was like, Connor, I need to be out of the sun now, please.
And we had put in a solid 3.5, 4 hours.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
I think that's a good time to take a break.
For sure.
We'll be back.
So we're heading into the shops at Wailea, and we're going to a place called the Cork and
Pint.
The Cork and Pint. And we're just gonna see what happens from there.
Yeah.
That's the current plan.
We're gonna keep it very casual tonight.
Yeah. It's gonna be a chill day. I had this day in mind to film this video, and so I purposefully did not make us a dinner reservation. That way, if it comes down to it, room service will take care of me.
Room service pizza sounds good.
Right? Just like sit out on our balcony and relax there in the comfort of our own drunkenness.
That sounds good.
We have some black truffle mac and cheese, again, carbo loading. So I need it, I'm feeling it hard again. And some rosé, which looks a lot worse than it is, but it's not our favorite, but it's better than it looks.
Vino, vino, vino. Sorry. You didn't need to turn it. I thought you were, I didn't think you were gonna turn it.
You should know better.
Vino, vino, vino. There we go, much better. Feel better about that take. Cut it.
My hair is up, as you can see. I'm over it.
No, wait, did you capture the Hermione first year?
Oh yeah, I'll show you.
Oh yeah, it's pretty good.
My hair is moving one into Hermione today.
I love it. Yeah.
Right, you guys? I mean, just big and frizzy. What are you gonna do?
So cute.
All right, let's try this mac. Connor was trying to share the mac and cheese with me, and I was like, sort of want my own.
No, in the classic, like, most polite Jill way of being like,
Well, sure, if you
we're
want.
discussing options. And she's like, well, yeah, or, you know, I could just eat the mac and cheese and you could order something you want. Okay.
Because he would never order mac and cheese without me there.
Probably not. You're right. It looks hot. Is it good though?
It was actually incredible. You have to try some.
Oh,
They're not fucking around.
that's pretty yummy too.
Yeah? Can I try a bite?
Yeah.
Not the white pants. Kahlua pork.
Yes.
I always feel bad eating pork, but
It's really good.
try some mac. Pretty good mac, eh?
Very yummy. Creamy.
Creamy.
Perfect for Jill.
Some good truffle. I feel like I'm approaching a nap. Tired. Fading fast. But I did get an espresso martini
So who knows?
to try to help with the situation.
I think too much damage has been done.
Agreed. A nap just sounds so nice.
Right?
I just want to crawl into bed. Pass out.
A double IPA. And too bad. Jill is usually a huge Jays fan. It's just the Jays are delivering the most exciting game.
No one is. Neither team. Both bad.
We are on drink number. Jill keeps spilling on herself, and it's not Connor spilling on himself, so we're in the upside down world now, I guess.
Well, friends, I finally made it to bed.
To bed.
For a nap. It's not the end of the night at all. But your girl has been drinking
Yep.
She's been drinking heavily.
She's been drinking.
Since like 10 a.m.
Yeah, it's been a big day.
And
by the way, we don't encourage this drinking.
unless you want to.
Unless it's you're on vacation and you really want to send it.
Yeah, 100%.
Regular days,
Probably
please
not.
do not do that. We're gonna do a good detox post this trip.
Yeah. But anyway, this is not the end for me. This is a means to the end.
I will be back.
You know, if I don't nap now, I'll never make it out tonight. But
Right.
we're making it out tonight.
Are we? Like
Oh,
out
yeah.
out?
We're doing it.
Oh
Yeah.
wow.
We are doing it.
You gotta complete the dream, like the
Exactly.
old gypsy woman said.
What? I'm just gonna, Connor, he's a bigger trooper than I. So he's going to head back out to the pool. Me, I'm just gonna throw in some ASMR, fall straight to sleep. Anyway. Nap time.
Right. Laughing because I had already taken a video and what I was saying wasn't accurate. Close to the end of our updates, but a big one. A big one for all the bettors out there. Nuggo has reached bedtime.
5 p.m.
4:51. Now,
bad, eh?
to be fair for those who put the bets out earlier, she probably would have been in bed 35 minutes.
4 o'clock, I think, was the safe
Yeah.
bet. Which was my bet on myself.
There you go.
Sorry.
You heard it from the source. But I think we can all say we're very proud, and she's deserved this nap.
Thank you. Hi, Bud.
And I was the class clown that always kept you laughing. We were never meant to be, baby, we just happened. So please don't mess up the trick, the young world. I'm a new slick Rick. They say I move too quick, but they don't.
A couple hours later, my nap did wonders for me. I slept for like 2.5 hours, and I am feeling fine now. Decided to keep it casual tonight. We are back at the Pint and Cork where we were earlier. Thank you. Ceviche.
Yeah.
We ordered a couple dishes for dinner. A ceviche, a hummus plate, and I think we'll probably order a couple other things. Got a little espresso martini yet again. Keep the party rolling. Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
Hummus plate has arrived, and they warned us that the ceviche was 10 out of 10 hot. I'd probably give it
8 out of 5.
Yeah, I was gonna say an 8 out of 10. It's spicy. And I handle my spice pretty well, so I'm sure for a lot of other people it is 11 out of 10 because that's hot. We got some waters, ready to take it down. Well, we've arrived at the next morning, you guys. After that bar, Connor and I came back here. We drank a lot more. And may or may not have just sat here and listened to the entire soundtrack of Hamilton. Why? I cannot tell you. But we were up until 2 a.m. listening to the entire soundtrack of Hamilton. And now this morning, we feel like shit. Oh, yeah. Yeah. But, hope that you enjoyed this. Hope that you enjoyed both my updates and Connor's updates, because I plan on sharing some of his as well. And if you'd like to see more degenerate content like this, please like and subscribe, because surely there will be more to come. Tara is getting back to LA. She's here by the time you're seeing this video, so I'm sure her and I will get into some trouble, as we always do. Also, ignore my hair. I did absolutely nothing to it yesterday after being in the pool, and it shows. So, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for sticking this one out with me. I don't even know what kind of video you just watched. No idea. No recollection of what I filmed. So, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.